This bird has been named the kingfisher, a name that comes from its exceptional skill in fishing, a skill it has acquired due to its high speed. However, because of its high speed while flying, it sometimes crashes into trees, causing its beak to get stuck. If no one helps, this beautiful bird can die, which is the price it pays for its high speed.